What's up, guys? This is Richard again for another edition of Learning with Rich. So, for today's lesson, I'm going to teach you how to monitor a linked file of another discipline. So, in this exercise, as an MEP engineer, so I want to take advantage of project sharing by linking, let's say, for example, the Revit structure file in my MEP project. Okay, and then after that I'm going to coordinate the two disciplines. So I also want to monitor structural levels so that Revit MEP displays a warning when the floor-to-floor height changes, so that it will ensure that I am aware of space changes while creating the MEP design. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to link a Revit structure file, and after that I'm going to monitor the levels in the link file, reload the modified Revit structure file, and I'm going to perform coordination review. Okay, so for the first part, so I'm going to link the Revit structure file. So from the Insert tab, I'm going to select here the link Revit. Okay, from my exercise folder, actually this exercise file is from Autodesk. Okay, this is this one can be found and can be modified. So once you install the Revit software, you can find it in the program files of the Autodesk Revit 2017 folder. Okay, so what I'm going to link here is my structure that RVT, mstruct.rvt. So I'll be using the positioning auto origin to origin. Okay, so I'm going to select here open. Okay, so right now the model is being upgraded to 2017 as it was saved in 2013. Okay, so after I link now the structure, which is this one. So this is the structure. See this one? So I was able to select it. So this is actually the link model. Okay, the ones the levels on the left side, that's my link model. Okay, the levels on the right side, that is my host level. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to monitor the levels in the link file. Okay, so I'm going to monitor it. So what's the purpose of monitoring? By the way, the tool monitor can be found on the collaborate tab and this one. So from the coordinate panel, copy monitor. Okay, so this is the tool that I'm going to use since I have linked the structural model. So you use the copy and monitor tools on the copy monitor tab to coordinate and monitor the changes in the building and structural models. Okay, so using the copy tool, you can copy elements within a current project or from a link project, which is what I'm going to do, to a host project. So this establishes a relationship between the copied and original elements, so which helps monitor changes to the original element and report differences. But in this case, what I'm going to do, I'm just going to monitor it. Okay, so I'm going to monitor my level. Okay, so because we can monitor the elements created in the current project using the monitor tool, or you can also use the link. Okay, you cannot monitor unlike pairs such as a grid line and a wall. Okay, so you cannot do that. Okay, so to do this, you need to select a pair of similar elements and establish a relationship between them using the monitor tool. Okay, so because the monitor tool establishes a relationship between the corresponding elements, for example, between two grid lines or between two levels. Okay, so let me just go ahead and select here copy monitor, and then I'm going to select link, and then after that, okay, so I'm going to select the link. I'm going to click that, and then you will notice you will be having now the copy and monitor contextual tab. And then these are the tools that we are going to use in this exercise. So what I'm going to use there is I'm going to use the monitor tool. Okay, so this is the monitor tool. Okay, so I'm going to select that. Okay, and then after that, I'm going to select now the host level, first floor, and then the link level, which is this one. Okay, so after that, you will notice this symbol. Okay, so meaning that these two levels, the level 1 of the host and then the level 1 of the link model, is being monitored. Okay, so after that, I'm going to select the second floor and the link model. Okay, there you go. So it's now being monitored. Okay, so I'm going to do that also on my third floor host, third floor level, link. I mean, okay, so there's the icon, so meaning this is now being monitored. So I select also the roof here and then the other pair. Okay, and then it's now being monitored now. Okay, so it's now being monitored. So after that, what I'm going to do is I'm now going to finish it. Okay, so no need for me to copy because I already have copies of the levels. Okay, so I just need to monitor it. So I'm just going to finish it after I monitor. Okay, so after that, what I'm going to do next is, let's say for example, there are some changes on the structural model. So I'm going to reload now the modified Revit structure file. Okay, so I already have that file to make this exercise shorter. Okay, so from the insert tab, because I want to reload the modified Revit structure file, so from the insert tab, so I'm going to select here the manage links. Okay, and then from the Revit tab, so this is now the link model, so I'm going to select here reload from. Okay, so another way to reload your modified structural file is from the project browser. I can expand this one. So I can just simply right click this and then I can select reload from. Okay, so I'm going to select reload from here, or it's up to you if you want to use this. So you can click this and then reload from. Okay, so this is the one that has got some changes. So I'm going to select this and then after that I open it. Okay, again, it's now being upgraded to 2017. Okay, then after that you will see this warning. So you have this warning, instance of link needs coordination review. So I just go ahead and select here OK. Okay, so it's just informing me that the instance of the link needs a coordination review, which is what I'm going to show you later on. Okay, so you will see this if there are some elements in your project that is being monitored and then you updated it. Okay. Okay, then after that I select here OK. Okay. So as you can see, it's pretty obvious here that there are some changes on the link model. So you see the second floor is like this. The height was changed. Okay. And also the name. Sulat mo ano ba? Netflix. Netflix kayo doon. Okay. Alright, so what I'm going to do next is I'm going to perform coordination review. Sorry about that because my wife is talking to me. Okay, so I'm going to perform the coordination review now. So to do that, so from the collaborate, so there's this coordination review. There you go. And then I'm going to select link. Okay, then I'm going to select the link model. There you go. And then you will now see the coordination review dialog box. Okay. So you use the coordination review tool when monitored elements are modified. So let's say, for example, if a structural project is linked to an MEP project, which is what what I'm currently doing, and I am monitoring the level lines in the structural project. So Revit MEP just now notifies me to perform the coordination review. Okay, so the coordination review dialog box, which is this one, can be accessed again from the collaborate, and just go to the coordinate. You'll see there the coordination review. And then if you are going to expand this, so these are the issues that we are now facing. Okay, so these are the new issues that they have changed to my link model. Okay, so they changed the name. If you expand that, you will see that. So this is the two levels. Okay, so this link model, they changed to fourth floor. Okay, and then the rest, okay, levels 2, 3, and the roof. Okay, so they have moved the level by 300. Okay, so aside from that, you can also show where is that. And if you don't know what you are going to do, you can select here also the create report. Okay, so the Revit will create an HTML report. So you can print that and show that to your BIM manager. Okay, so aside from that, you also have here actions. Okay, so what are the actions? So you can click that, so you can see the actions like postpone, reject, accept the difference, rename, because right now the issue here is they have renamed the level. So let's say I'm just going to follow what they do or what they did. So I'm going to select here rename element roof level. Okay, and then you can also add here a comment. Okay, so what else? So let's say I'm just going to follow the changes that the structural guys have made to the levels. So I'm going to click the drop down here, and then I'm going to select here move level third floor. Okay, move level third roof level and second floor. Okay, so after that, I'm just going to select here OK, and then the Revit will automatically update. Just wait, and voila, right? Okay, for this morning, I'll just delete this one. Okay, all right. Okay, see, it's now updated. So the name has changed to fourth floor as well as the movement. Okay, so it really helps a lot. So in the view window, so you notice that the level lines move, and then the distance between them is the same as that before the file was reloaded. Okay. Okay, so that's how you use your copy and monitor, and then that's how you coordinate. Okay, so if you want to monitor the changes, so you need to use first the copy monitor tool, and then you can use the coordination review tool. Okay, so hopefully you learned something from this exercise. So if you have any questions, comments, suggestions, you can just put it on the comment section below, and then I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Once again, this is Richard from Learning with Rich. Have a nice day.